I'm going to go through the steps of how to graph this trig equation. So first, we have to factor out this 3. And why we do that is basically because we want the frequency just outside of the bracket without anything else. It is possible to graph it without it, but it's a bit trickier. So once we factor it out, this pi over 2 gets divided by 3, because pi over 6. Now we can just find parts of the graph. So amplitude, we're also going to need frequency. We're also going to need the phase shift. And the period. Right, so first the amplitude is obvious, right here, it's 2. The frequency, we just factored it out, it's 3. The phase shift here, it's always flipped of the sign inside here. So if it inside the bracket, it says negative pi over 6, on the graph, it's going to be forward, it's going to be positive. If it said positive pi over 6, it would go backwards, it'd be negative back here. So phase shift is plus pi over 6. Now the period formula is 2 pi over k, which is 2 pi over 3. And there we go. That's pretty much everything. Now, something I like to do when there's a phase shift involved is I like to find the endpoint of the graph of one period. And you can do that by adding the period to the phase shift. So we'll just write end is 2 pi over 3 plus pi over 6 which is 5 pi over 6. Now we can start graphing. Alright, let's draw it over here. This is our phase shift, so pi over 6. This is the end. 5 pi over 6. Got our amplitude. And then what else? Yeah, that's pretty much everything. Now remember, a cosine graph starts at 1, or in this case it's 2. So it's going to start up here on this point. It drops to 0 halfway through, goes up back here. But remember, there's a phase shift. We start here. You just draw the graph. Done. See, that looks bad. Let's draw that again. It still looks bad, but yeah, there we go. It's done.